Hey everyone, welcome back to Rafi Gadget Reviews. Today, we need to talk about something that could genuinely save your entire digital life. We have all been there. You diligently back up your files, you have the trusty external hard drive sitting on your desk, and you tell yourself the lie we all believe. I have a backup, so I am safe. You follow the rules, copying your work, your photos, and your important documents. But then, disaster strikes. You plug in your backup drive to retrieve an old project and nothing. Maybe the drive doesn't mount, maybe the file system is corrupted, or maybe the drive spins up. You can see the folders, but when you try to copy them, the transfer speed drops to 0 and the system hangs. It's a sinking feeling for photographers, freelancers, students, or content creators like us. Realizing your safety net has failed can mean absolute panic. It's the harsh realization that backed up doesn't always mean recoverable. This is exactly where we need to change our strategy. What do you do when the backup itself fails? You need a tool that doesn't just read data but understands how to salvage it from dying hardware. That is why we are looking at Wondershare Recoverit V14. This isn't the standard recovery software. It uses artificial intelligence to detect drive issues before they get worse, avoiding further damage while getting your data back. Let's get into how this actually works in real life scenario. We have a backup drive connected to our PC right now that has been acting up. It disconnects randomly and makes some concerning clicking sounds. Now, normally, standard recovery tools are aggressive. They force a falling drive to read data repeatedly. On a mechanical drive, this can cause a head crash, physically scrapping the disk platters and destroying your data forever. This is where Recoverit V14 is different. It features AI bad sector detection, which is a total game changer. The software is smart enough to identify bad sectors on the disk before and during the recovery process. Instead of blindly hammering those damaged areas, it intelligently navigates around them. It basically keeps the drive alive long enough to pull your files off safely, which is exactly what we need. Once we hit scan, you will notice another major improvement: AI-powered efficiency. You don't have to sit there waiting all day, staring at a progress bar. The AI optimizes the scan path, digging deep into the file system in real time to find lost partitions and raw data that your operating system has already given up on. It supports over 1000 file formats and systems. So, whether obscure system logs, a specifically formatted Linux partition, or standard raw photos from a Sony or Canon camera, it catches them and automatically organizes everything into clean categories. You aren't just getting a dump of data, you're getting a structured recovery. But finding the files is only half the battle. The real question is, are they usable? Recovering a file is useless if it comes back corrupted. This is why the preview feature is so essential. We just select the files we need, hit recover, and save them to a new, safe location. And just like that, the data we thought was lost forever is back. For the video creators watching, it's worth nothing that Recoverit goes even one step further. If you have ever recovered a video file, only to find it choppy or glitchy because the file fragments were scattered across the drive, the enhanced recovery mode is a lifesaver. It scans specifically for those hidden video fragments and patches them together to ensure your footage plays smoothly. That alone makes it an essential install for us. After putting Recoverit V14 through its paces, we can confidently say it's more than just a tool. It's a safeguard. It's no wonder Wondershare has been trusted by over 100 million users worldwide, with over 20 years of expertise. That kind of track record gives us the confidence that our data is in safe hands. So, if you want to make sure your plan B actually works, we highly recommend checking out the Wondershare Recoverit V14. We have put the link in the description box below. Download it, run a scan, and see what it can find. That's it for today's video. Let us know in the comments, have you ever had a backup drive fail on you? We'd love to hear your story. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Rafi Gadget Reviews so you don't miss out on future tips. See you in the next video. Till then, Bye bye.